Molly, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a short YouTube video showing you how to change the battery in your R53, or in case you need to remove it, battery for any reason. It's a really easy task. So the battery that was in at the moment was a BMW battery. I originally put that in the car when I bought it around about 2 years ago, and then we bought a replacement battery now. Batteries are a personal preference, so you can go for manufacturers or whatever your choice is. The battery we decided to replace it with today is a bigger battery, but again, it's all down to personal preference. So we didn't actually need all the tools that are shown here, but we'll still run through them with you. So firstly, we had a torch, just in case we needed it. It can be quite useful to have on hand. Then we had a Phillips screwdriver. Then we had a 3/8 ratchet, a 10mm socket bit, a 13mm socket bit, which we didn't actually need, and then a 3/8 extension. So first step is to simply remove the boot floor, which you can just pull up as such and take and put out of the way. Now you need to use that Phillips screwdriver to remove the long screw which holds the battery clamp in place. Once you've unscrewed that, if you put that to one side, as of course you'll need that later on to put back in place when you put the new battery in. Then if you use the ratchet and the 10mm socket bit to remove the other screw that holds the other side of the battery clamp in place. And if you use that same 10mm socket bit to remove the negative battery lead, which is the black lead from the battery, then place something underneath this lead. This could be like a plastic cap like we've done, or could even be something like a piece of cardboard. Next step is to remove the positive lead, which of course is the other red lead. Once that's removed, you can then pull out the battery from the car. So once you've taken your battery out, just make sure that you dispose of it safely, so don't just chuck it in your normal household bin. Then place the battery back in the vehicle and do everything in reverse order from before. So the first thing you do is reattach the positive red lead. To do this, you just use the same 10mm socket bit that you used from before, as we're just doing everything in reverse order. Next, we're going to reattach that negative lead, which of course is the black lead. And then final step is to reattach the battery clamp that you will have put to one side. So again, if you reattach that in reverse order from what you took it off originally. So you'll need that 10mm socket bit to reattach the fixing at the top. And then just make sure you of course tighten the screw in place, which was the first step in removing the battery. And then last step of course is to put that boot floor back in place, covering up the battery. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please feel free to share any of these videos on social media channels. Thank you so much.